Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? How are you girls for grade 8? Today, inshallah, you will study new lesson in topic 6, lesson 2. In this lesson you will learn how to solve a system of equations using substitution. Solving system of equations using substitution. Okay, really? You have studied before how to solve system of equations using graphical solution. Yes, graphical solution. But now you will study how to solve system of equations using substitution. Okay, the first example. Y solve using substitution x plus y equal 8 and y plus y equal 3x. What's the meaning of substitution? Substitution means replacement. Okay, how to replace? Okay, here you have two equations, x and y, two variables in them. Okay, how to solve them? First, you must select one of the two equations, which y or x is individual in a side. Okay, I think the second equation is ready for replacement. Okay, so I can take y equal 3x to replace it in the first equation. How come? What's the first equation? X plus y equal 8. No. Don't say x plus y equal 8, but say x plus, yes, good, 3x equals 8. Okay, yes, good. X plus y equal 8, then x plus, remove y to replace it by 3x. Then x plus 3x equals 8. Then add like terms. X plus 3x is 4x equals 8. Then divide by 4, then x equals 2. After you found x equal 2, okay, your question is not finished, because solution of the two equations must be as an ordered pair, x and y. Okay, you got x. How to find y? Okay, you can select any of the two equations. Select the easiest one. For example, I will select the second equation, y equal 3x. Okay, but now I know value of x. The value of x is 2. Then you can replace x by 2. Then y equal 3 times 2. Then y equals 6. So I have x equal 2 and y equal 6. Then the solution is ordered pair 2 and 6. Okay. Or you can select the first equation, x plus y equals 8. Okay. If you replace x by 2, then 2 plus y equals 8. Then y equals what? Yes, right. 6 also. Yeah, okay. So if you selected the first equation or the second equation, no problem. The same answer. Okay. After you found the solution 2 and 6, you can check your answer. How to check your answer? Take this solution 2 and 6 and replace it in the two equations. How? Okay. Replace the first equation, x equal 2 and y equal 6. Then the first equation, x plus y, yes. Then 2 plus 6 equals 8, right? The other one, y equals what? 6, x equal 2. Then 6 equal 3 times 2. Then your answer is correct, right? Okay, good. Another example. Y minus 2x equal 3 and 3x minus 2y equals 5. Okay. How to solve it using substitution? First, select one of the two equations. Then put y or x individual in a side. Put y or x individual in a side. Okay, for example, I will select the first equation. For example, okay, as you like. The first equation, y minus 2x equals 3. How to put y individual in a side? Yes, by moving negative 2x to the other side, right? To be y equal negative to be y equal 2x plus 3. But now I will select another choice. I will select the first equation, but okay, I will put x individual in a side. Okay, no problem, as you like. Okay, the first equation, move y to the other side. Then negative 2x equal 3 minus y. Good. Then divide by negative 2 for each term. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Then x equals negative 1.5 plus 1 over 2y, half y, half y. Okay. This equation, you can substitute from this equation in the other equation. How? Replace x by negative 1.5 plus half y. How, guys? How, girls? Come with me. 3x. Then I will select 3. Then put x inside the bracket. Negative 1.5 plus half y. Okay. Then minus 2y equals 5. Okay. Then you can replace or distribute 3 times negative 1.5 and 3 times half. Okay, come with me, guys. 3 times negative 1.5, it will be negative 4.5. Then 3 times half, it will be 1.5. Y minus 2y equals 5. Then collect like terms. Okay, I can collect 1.5 y minus 2y to be negative half y or negative 0.5 y equals negative 4.5, remove it to the other side. Then 5 plus 4.5 to be 9.5. Then how to find y? Okay, by division by negative 0.5, divide negative 0.5. Then y equal negative 19. This y. What about x? You can find x by replace value of y in any equation. For example, I will select this equation. Okay, then x equal negative 1.5 plus half times negative 19 times negative 19 to be negative 11. Then the solution is negative 11 and negative 19. Negative 11 and negative 19. Okay. So if you selected any of the two equations, okay, and put x or y individual in a side, then take it to replace it in the other equation, you can solve the equation by easy method. But you must be understanding everything in the question. Okay? Yes, good. Another example. 7x minus 2y equals 1 and 2y equal 3 equal x minus 1. Okay. First, select any of the two equations to put x or y individual in a side. For example, I will select the second one. Okay. But y not individual. Here you have two coefficients of y. But it's easy by division by 2, division by 2, division by 2. Then y equal half x minus half. Okay, take it to substitute in the first equation. Then 7x minus 2, remove y to be half x minus half, then equals 1. Then distribute negative 2 to each term. Then 7x Negative 2 times half, it will be negative 1x, negative x. Then negative 2 times negative half, it will be positive 1. Then equals 1. Then collect x, collect like terms. 7x minus x, it will be 6x. Then move on to the other side. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 6x equals 0, then x equals 0. Then how to find y? Yes, select any of the two equations. For example, I will select the equation y equal half x minus half. Then y equal half time x is 0, then minus half. Okay, then y equals what? Then y equals negative half. Then x equal 0 and y equal negative half. Then the solution is 0 and negative half. Okay, guys, everyone understand? Thank you guys for listening and see you after, inshallah. Thank you.